In this video, you'll learn how to produce 10 quality pieces of content in under 1 hour, leveraging the power of AI. The tool we'll be using today is called Riverside. In Riverside, you can film a video recording like a YouTube video, podcast, or live stream, and their Magic Clips feature will find the best moments of your recording and automatically cut, transcribe, and add captions to these clips instantly. Before you can do this, however, you first need to figure out what the format of your content you'll be creating that you can pull from. After you pick this format, go over to riverside.fm and make a free account. Next, go and create a studio, which is basically your virtual recording space. In this studio, you'll see all of your previous video recordings, and this is where you'll be able to record or stream from. In this case, we'll go to studio and we'll fill out these details. The great thing about Riverside is if you have a co-host on your podcast or you're filming something virtually with a guest or something similar, they can also enter this recording space via a shareable link. Now, once you're in the studio, you can see several useful features. You can invite people easily, as mentioned before. You can paste in a script to look at for when you're recording. You can toggle on echo cancellation, which helps remove echo if you're not wearing headphones. You can remove background noise if you have loud noises surrounding you. You can share your screen while recording or presenting something. You can play audio tracks such as sound effects or effectively a soundboard while you're recording. You can also upload and play videos if you'd like. You can have Riverside automatically center your video so that you'll appear in the middle of the screen at all times. You can chat with everyone who's in the studio at any time, and much, much more. When you're ready to record, just press record and it'll begin recording. While you're recording, you can view your script for talking points, and you can also mark a clip for any time anything interesting is said or done. Now, this is super helpful if you want to turn anything into a social media clip for later, which we'll show you how to do next. Once you're done, click on stop and your recording will be done. Now in the bottom left-hand side, you'll have the option to view your recording. Once you click on it, you'll see the new recording plus any previous ones you've made. Now let's go to the Magic Clips editor. In this example, I'm going to use an episode that I filmed earlier this year with a guest. I'm going to click on it here. If you look at the bottom here, it says that we already have different edits that we can choose from. So we have over 28 edits, as you can see. Basically, these are markers that I made during the recording, which I showed you earlier how to do. You can see how many different ones we have, and we can create even more right now. To create more, we're going to generate magic clips. So just click on generate clips. I'm going to show a timer on screen right now to show you exactly how long it takes to make over 10 different clips. So that took literally 1 minute, and you can see how many different short form vertical clips that we have right here. We could just cycle through all of them in addition to the marked clips that we had earlier, 13 different clips. Now we're just going to select one of them to edit or to show you what you can do inside the editor. So here we clicked it, and you can see we have a full transcript on the left side divided by the speaker, which is awesome. And you can also see that the captions are already created for you. If you click on the captions icon, you can change the type of caption and the font. You can also change the size and orientation of your clip, which is great if you're repurposing this for different platforms. You can also change the layout of the clip, and it did this for all 13 different clips automatically. If you do have to do any manual editing, you can just highlight that portion of the transcript or video, and it'll delete that part in the video as well. Once you're done with your edit, you can go to the top right and click on share. And from here, you'll see the option to change the video quality, normalize audio levels, and remove background noise. And from here, you can export very easily. Additionally, you can also generate an episode or basically have AI clean up your recording and add captions for you. So basically all the tedious work is done for you. Alternatively, if you want to work in a video editor like Premiere Pro, you can export your video and audio tracks into a Premiere Pro project file instantly. If you don't use Premiere Pro, that's also fine, since Riverside allows you to download the video and audio tracks of each person in the recording separately or all together. And if you decide not to record in Riverside, that's fine too. They now have an option to upload external videos, which will allow you to effectively edit any video in Riverside and easily transcribe and caption your video with ease. If you're interested in trying Riverside and are impressed with what it can do, make sure to check the link below. And if you want a 15% discount on any of the paid plans, use the coupon code ALWAYSCREATING for 15% off.